Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Now, in this video, I will explain you how to solve simple linear equations with the different examples. Okay, and all these questions are from the past. 3y minus 12 plus y by 2 is equal to 9. Okay, so if you look, we are having this denominator is 1, so this denominator is 1, so we have denominator as 2. So the whole LCM is going to be, we have to make it as denominator 2. For that, we need to multiply all of them by 2. Okay, so this is anyway we have 2. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So it will become 6y minus 24 plus y is equal to 9. Okay. As a result of that, if I simplify this, 6y plus y becomes 7y minus 24 and 2 will be multiplied to the right side as 18. Therefore, 7y is equal to 18 minus 24 will go here as plus 24 and we need to make y as the subject. We need to find the y as the y answer we need to find out. So divide by 7 on both of the sides. Therefore, y is equal to 18 plus 24. 18 plus 24 is going to be, use your calculator, 18 plus 24, which is going to be 42. Okay, 42 divided by 7. So 42 divided by 7 become 6, right? Yeah, which is going to be 6. Therefore, answer for y is going to be 6. Very simple solving of the linear equations. Now your first priority should go to the bracket. You know the Bodmer's rule, right? Bodmer's rule says first bracket and then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So Bodmer's rule is this. So accordingly, we'll open up the bracket. So 2 into 11 and 2. So 2 11s are 22 minus 6x. Therefore, 4x minus 6x, I will combine the like terms now. So the minus 6s in the right hand side will go to the left hand side with by changing the sign as plus, and 22 will go to the right, already in the right hand side. So I don't have to change the sign. Minus 12 will go to the right hand side as positive 12. Therefore, 10x is equal to 22 plus 12. 22 plus 12, which is going to be 34. So if I divide by 10 on both of the sides, I'm going to get x is equal to 3.4. So when you get some decimal answers, please cross-check your answer once again. So 4x minus 12, 2 11s are 22, minus 2 3s are 6x. All right, so 4x plus 6x, so 10x, 22 plus 12. So 22 plus 12, which is going to be 34. So 34 divided by 10, which is going to be 3.4. Okay, so you got your answer here. Now let's open up this bracket. So 5 into 2y minus 17. Therefore, 10y minus 17 fives are 17 fives are 85. 85 is equal to 60. Therefore, 10y is equal to 60. So when minus goes to the other side, it becomes plus. So 85. Therefore, 85 plus 60, 85 plus 60, which is going to be 145. So 10y is equal to 145 and divide by 10 on both of the sides. Therefore, 14.5. Therefore, which is going to be 14.5. So 5 minus 2x is equal to 3x minus 19. So we will collect the like terms in one side and x to one side and to the another side. Therefore, accordingly, minus 2x will come to here, which is going to be minus 3x, minus 19, 5 will go here as negative 5. Remember, when plus will go to the other side will be minus, minus become plus, multiply become division, division become multiply. So this is very important rule to be followed when we solve the linear equations. Okay, therefore, accordingly, minus 5x is equal to minus 24, isn't it? Therefore, minus and minus can be cancelled on both of the sides and divide by 5 on both of the sides. Therefore, 25 divided by 5, 24 divided by 5. You can leave your answer in the fraction form or you can keep it in just in the decimal form. Over here, we have 2x already in the left-hand side, minus 15, negative 1. So 2x is equal to negative 16, divide by 2 on both of the sides. Therefore, x is going to be minus 8. Okay, so n minus 8. So next number, question number 3, n minus 8 divided by 2. So I will multiply. As I told you, division will become multiply when you move to the other side, isn't it? Therefore, n minus 8 is equal to 22. Therefore, n is equal to 22 plus positive 8. Therefore, n is going to be 30. Okay, n is going to be 30. Very simple. Now we are having some of the equations like this with the equal sign and the fraction. So what you have to do in this situation, just cross multiply. Just cross multiply. Therefore, 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 7x. Therefore, open up the bracket. So which will be 3x plus 15 is equal to 7x. Therefore, 3x minus 7x is equal to minus 15. So I'm just moving this here and moving this here. Therefore, minus 4x is equal to minus 15 or divided by minus 4 on both of the sides because I want to make x as free, like only x I wanted here. So whatever you have with the x, you can cancel them. So x is going to be negative, negative cancel. So it is going to be 15 by 4. Okay. Next, solve this equation. So I told you already division become multiply when it goes to the other side. So 3 into 8, it becomes 24. Therefore, 2x is equal to 24 negative 5. Therefore, divide by 2 on both of the sides. Therefore, x is going to be 24 minus 5. 24 minus 5 divided by 2, which is going to be 19 by 2, which is 9.5. Okay. Now look at this question. Solve. So if I open up this bracket, 5w plus 5 into 4, 20 into 10 to the power 3, isn't it? 20 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 4. Therefore, 5w is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 4 minus 20 into 10 to the power 3. As if you're subtracting 60,000 with the 20,000, that's all it is. So if you want, you can use your calculator. 6 into 10 to the power 4 minus 20 into 10 to the power 3, which is going to be, so if you want, write 4 zeros here. 2, 3, 4 minus 20, 000. Okay. So 60,000 minus 20,000, how much you will get? 30,000, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 5w divided by 5 on both of the sides. Divided by 5 on both of the sides. Therefore, we're going to get 6,000. W is equal to 6,000. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled over here. Now 3x, open up the bracket. So 3x plus 12 is equal to 8x minus 2. Therefore 3x, I will bring this negative to left side. So it will become minus 2 and minus 12. Therefore minus 14, it will become negative 5x. So divided by negative 5 on both of the sides. So you can write this answer as negative, negative cancel. So 14 over 5. So once again, it is the same thing. We just have to multiply from bracket to bracket, okay? Therefore, x square plus 4x and then minus 7x plus into minus. Be careful with the sign. Minus 7 into plus 4, which is minus 28 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 0, okay? And minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 0. Oh, okay, okay. So we don't have to open up the bracket over here. I just understand this question wrong way. So what you have to do here is, so just equate, yeah, just equate x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is going to be 7. Okay, your first answer, you get it. And then equate the second bracket is equal to 0. Therefore, x is going to be minus 4. Okay, x is going to be minus 4. Yes. So I hope you all clear with this topic. This is how